If you are a content creator and you want to record something, sometimes you may forget script. Usually in news channels there will be teleprompter. That person will be looking at teleprompter and reading that things. But in case of normal content creators, installing teleprompters is expensive. But in your smartphone only there is one solution. For that you need to install one application. App link is given in the description. You can install this application from there. App name is Selvi. Install this application and after that open this application. When you are opening this application for the first time, you need to give some permissions. Click on while using the app. After that, here you can see show intro and skip option. We don't want intro, so I am clicking on skip. After that, you will reach a page like this. Here first what we need to do is, first you need to paste your script here. For that, click on this plus button and after that, here you can see create new option. Click on create new. After that, here you can paste your script. For example, I am pasting my script here. After that, here you can see tick button. Click on this tick button and that script is ready. After that, what you need to do is click on this added text. If you want to change font size, you can do that. Just click on this T button and when you're clicking on that, you will get an option to change font size. You can set according to your need. For example, I am setting it to this size. After that, click on this tick button. If you want to change speed, you can change speed from here. After that, click on this tick button and here you can see video recording quality. Click on this and select the recording quality. For example, I am selecting it to full HD. After that, here you can see record button. Click on this record button. When you are clicking on that, you will be asked to give some permission. Click on while using the app. After that, again click on this allow button. Now when you are clicking on this record button, you can see recording will be started. Now here you can see recording is going on. You can see this and read the script. So this way you can set teleprompter in your smartphone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.